Okay, before we actually move on to determining how to find this answer, which is the derivative of this original function, I thought I'd just show you how you can actually verify your result on Desmos. Here's the original function, which I have not graphed over here. And then I've used the derivative operator on Desmos to say I'm going to take the derivative with respect to x of f of x, and I'm going to call that g of x. And that's actually this graph here. And then here's the answer that I got. And those two graphs, the blue and the green, overlap each other. So that kind of is an indication that this is the right answer. Now, there are some changes you could make to this if you wanted to. For example, 2 sine x cosine x, you could write as as the sine of 2x using a trigonometric identity, but that's kind of after the fact. Here's how to think of it. To find y prime, we're going to apply the power rule followed by the chain rule. So we're going to think of this as u to the 6th. So we're going to bring this 6 down front, reduce the exponent by 1. That's this 5 right here. And then we're going to multiply all of that by the derivative of the inside. Well, the derivative of the inside has two terms in it, separated by this plus sign, so we have to take the derivative of each term. The derivative of this x is 1. The derivative of this x plus sine squared of x to the 5th power, same deal. We got to move this 5 down front and then reduce the exponent by 1. There's that exponent reduced by 1. But now we have to multiply all of that by the derivative of the inside, which is this thing right here. Well, the derivative of x is 1. The derivative of sine squared is bring the 2 down front, reduce the exponent by 1, then multiply by the derivative of the inside, which the inside function is the sine of x. The derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. So that's the kind of thinking that you have to employ. It's the power rule followed by the chain rule several times. Okay, so I hope that gave you the idea. There's some different things you can do maybe to simplify your work, like let this all equal u, and write y prime is 6u to the 5th times the derivative of u with respect to x. And then go off, and here's the u, x plus sine squared of x raised to the 5th power, and calculate du dx down here and substitute it back into here. If that helps you visualize it a little bit better, you can do it that way. But there you go. Hope that helped. I'll post a link to the Desmos graph in the answer. Hope that helped, and if you have any questions, post a comment.